Okay, so now that we've found the surface area of the tank, it says after cleaning the tank, Jay needs to refill it with water. So how much water would he need to fill the tank? Well, now if we are talking about filling it up, what are we looking for in this question? We are looking for the volume. So like if I drew water in here, right, we are filling up the entire tank with water, and so we are looking for the volume. And so if we're going to find the volume of this rectangular prism, what do we need to do first? Well, we're going to first find the area of the base, because if I look at my volume formula, we need the area of the entire base first. And I see that this is a rectangular prism, which is a fancy way to say a box. So the shape of the base is a rectangle. If I just shade this out, right, it would be a rectangular piece. And so what are the dimensions of our rectangular piece? Well, again, we know that it's 11 by 6.5 on the top, which means it's 11 by 6.5 on the bottom. And we've actually already calculated this. Area of the big B base is base times height, 11 times 6.5, which if I scroll back up, that was 71.5, right? Why recalculate if we already have it? Squared inches, so the area of the base is 71.5 squared inches, which means I can substitute that into our formula for our volume. And then what is the height of our prism? How tall is this tank? Well, it is 10 inches tall, so that's going to go into our formula as well. And now we can multiply to find volume. So 71.5 times 10 is actually 715 cubic inches. So if we wrote a more formal sentence, Jay needs to fill the tank with 715 cubic inches of water. So today's practice is nothing new. It's not really new content. It's just going to be using real world situations where we have to think about what the question is asking. Is it talking about the outside of a 3D shape? So we need to find surface area. Is it finding the inside, filling up the inside of a 3D shape? So we need to find volume, and then writing it in the context of the problem. So that's what's going to be on our independent practice and then on our exit ticket.